Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. Today we are discussing about a 32-inch Sony LED TV that comes to repair because of the reason double image and color change. You can see the color change in the image and a focus out blur picture. This complaint is mainly due to shorting in the gate signals inside the panel. We can solve this issue by blocking the gate signals entering into the panel from left side or right side. The complaint may be either in left side or the right side. We have to check left side one by one, either left or right for the complaint. Actually, here we need to block the CKV signals entering to the panel from either left side or right side, as I said earlier. This is the model number of the TV. Here you can see the model number KLV-32EX330. This is the model number of this TV. Here I first cut the track from the right side, but the complaint is not solved. Still double image is there. So the right side is correct and the complaint is in left side. So I confirmed that the complaint is in left side and the right side is okay. So the cutter track, right side tracks are cutted early. So they are resoldered again. So I resoldered the cutter tracks and confirmed that the complaint is in the left side. While resoldering the cutted prints, they are the minute prints, so we should be very careful while resoldering. Here you can see that all prints are resoldered perfectly. Here, after resoldering the right side, we cut the left side CKV signals, and also we also removed the CKV signals coming resistance from the panel. Here then left side signals tracks are cutted and CKV signals coming resistance are removed. Now let's connect the power and check the TV is okay or not. Now the TV is power on and let's check the display. Yes, here you can see the display. The TV is power on and the picture is perfect. The display back to normal. Now the problem is perfectly solved and the display is okay now. Here you can see that all colors are correct and there is no blurry image. Display 100% back to normal. Now we need to check the panel for 1 hour to observe is there any change in display. At present the picture is okay. The TV is worked continuously for 1 hour for checking, and there is no picture problem found. So the picture is perfect now. No display problems are occurred. Now the TV back to normal. Display is 100% perfect condition. Here you can see that the color back to colors are also correct. Color changing problem solved. Also the blurry image also solved. Now the display back to normal. So the display complaint is solved. If you like our channel, please subscribe, share and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you.